Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can dim your share screen video on Zoom. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now to dim your share screen video, firstly open your Zoom application. Log into your Zoom account if you have not logged in. It will take you to the home page of Zoom application. Click on More options on the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. You can see the Dim Screen Share Video option. Swipe the button to the right to turn it on. It will automatically dim the video when flashing videos, images, or visual patterns are detected. This is how you can dim screen share video on Zoom quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.